Bare carbon fiber doesn't do much to tone down the swoopy, animal RC F GT3, does it? This is the latest tweak of the Lexus GT3 Racer, which appeared in an earlier spec with the American team F Performance Racing. Incidentally, the team changed its name to 3GT Racing recently to further differentiate itself from Lexus. The latest RCF Racer will compete in IMSA and Super GT Racing. Lexus will field 2 cars in each series. Since GT3 and the Japanese GT300 cars share a spec, this RCF GT3 will race as an RCF GT300 in Japan with the LM Casa team. On our side of the Pacific, the car will debut at the 24 Hours of Daytona on January 29th, and compete with the aforementioned 3GT Racing team in the GTD category of the IMSA Championship Series. Barring any unannounced changes, the 2,756-pound coupe will pack a front-mounted V8 derived from the production RCF's engine and tuned to deliver over 540 horsepower, depending on series regulations. It should be mentioned that in Japan, the car will race alongside its bigger brother, the LC500 GT500 car, which we told you about last year.